Working on a vehicle in your home garage can be a bit of a challenge, particularly if you lack a ramp or floor jack. You may find yourself crunched under your car or truck while lying on nothing more than an old, grimy plastic tarp, which can be extremely uncomfortable. To make your life easier, consider investing in a mechanic's creeper. In this video, we are going to talk about a variety of best mechanic creepers in 2022 and how we have categorized them into a list starting from numbers 5, 4, 3, and so on. So do you watch the video till the end and let me know in the comments section if you like the video? Don't forget to press thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Each of the products has its link below in the description box so you can find more information about them. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video. On number 5, we have a DNA motoring mechanic creeper. This creeper from DNA motoring comes in two different lengths, 36 or 40 inches. If you are on the taller side, it may be worth investing the extra dollars and choosing the 40-inch design. This creeper can support weights of around 330 pounds and at 17.32 inches wide, you have plenty of space to work in comfort. The last thing you want is rolling all over the workshop floor when you just want to get to work. The DNA motoring creeper is fitted with 6 swivel casters to ensure you are able to quickly move in the direction you want, without the wheels jamming or rolling you in the wrong direction. The casters are made from non-marring polyurethane and along with the heavy-duty tubular steel frame, your weight will be well supported. The padding on this creeper is thicker than you may find on similar products and the cushioning makes working for long periods at a time more bearable. Moving on to number 4, we have ProLift G4630 JSCB Jack and Creeper Combo. This is a big budget buy, but this ProLift creeper is not like any on our list today. The ProLift G4630 JSCB set includes a creeper, jack stand, and a floor jack. There is everything you need to lift and maneuver under a car. The creeper itself can support a weight capacity of 300 pounds and is 40 inches long, a good size, and should provide plenty of space and support for mechanics of all sizes. There are 6 casters to help you easily move in and out from below the vehicles, and they work to evenly support your weight, reducing the risk of buckling and other damage. This ProLift product is unique because it includes a 3-ton jack, equipped with 3-inch casters to help you move the tool quickly around the workshop. However, the jack can lift 3 tons but is not strong enough to support it. You will need to use the included pair of jack stands. With this set, you have all the tools you need to safely lift your car and work in comfort and with ease. On number 3, we have the Performance Tool Adjustable Mechanics Creeper. If you're on a budget and don't want to spend much money, we recommend the Performance Tool Adjustable Mechanics Creeper. The creeper is 40 inches long by 20 inches high, but you can adjust the seat height from 15 to 20 inches. The headrest has 3 positions you can change using a lever. It and the deck are also padded and cushioned for comfort. The creeper is made with heavy-duty, powder-coated tubular steel. The 6 2½ inch casters are designed to swivel 360 degrees for optimum maneuverability. Overall, it's well made and fully assembled out of the box. The casters are very smooth and work very well, but there is no way to lock them in place, so it can be challenging to keep the creeper in one spot. On number 2, we have TCEATR 6452U Torin Rolling Creeper. This creeper has your comfort needs covered, with a thickly padded bench from top to bottom and a headrest that can be adjusted into 4 different positions. Whatever work you are doing, you should be able to work with no discomfort when using the TCE creeper. It is the headrest that really sets this creeper apart from its competitors. Whatever job you are working on, you will be able to adjust the headrest to suit your needs. No more neck and shoulder pain for you when you are using this creeper to do those tricky jobs under the car. Like the other creepers in this review, the TCE uses 6 360-degree swivel casters. The frame is made from heavy-duty tubular steel. This creeper is made to last and will stay in good condition for years to come. However, this may not be the creeper for you if you are on the heavier side. In the first place, we have Torin Big Red Rolling Creeper. The Torin Big Red Rolling Garage is for those professional mechanics who tend to work on vehicles bigger than cars. For those who tend to feel suffocated in the small-sized creepers, the Torin Creeper can be a welcome savior. It is designed with a steel frame that provides durability to the structure so that it can support the mechanic's weight. The 40-inch seat has a headrest that can be adjusted to 4 positions, and the adjustable headrest allows you to choose a balance of comfort and support. The headrest boasts an extra layer of padded foam for added comfort. Also featured are 6 rotating or swivel casters that are flexible and multi-directional to allow freedom of movement. The padded bench is covered with a red vinyl cover that imparts extra strength, protection, and durability to the whole creeper. The Torin ensures that all those hours spent toiling under your car are as comfortable as possible. This is all for now. You can check the links in the description box down below which are updated to the latest prices. Thanks for watching, hope to see you guys in the next video. Until then, goodbye.